What's up, everybody? This is Joe with ApexLighting.com, and today we have our 6267 LED puck light. These are available in 3 different finishes. We have the black, we got the white, and we got my favorite, the satin nickel. These measure 2 7/8 on the outside, and you will need a cutout of about 2 1/4 inch. 2 1/8 to 2 1/4 will work. Doesn't have to be exact because these are spring mounted. This is a 2 1/4 inch hole. Just push it in. Springs expand and just hold there. They do come with about 6 inches of wires. The wires at the end have these little barrel connectors. We typically just cut them off and then just splice, butt connect all of them. They are 12 volt DC only. So if you're gonna use them on a boat, RV, or somewhere with a battery, you can connect them just straight to your power source. You don't need any adapters, LED drivers, or any converters. They are fully dimmable as well. So if this is too bright for you, put them on a low voltage dimmer. Just dim it all the way down. Okay. Now, if you're gonna use it in a 120 volt circuit, like a household or a larger boat with a generator, shore power, you will need to step your 120 down to 12 volt using an LED driver. We have these available on our website. I'll link them below. But the way to determine what size you need is each one of these draws about 2 watts. So if you have 10 of these, you're at 20 watt. You're gonna want a driver that is capable of handling about 10% more. So if these add up to 20 watt, you probably want a 25 to 30 watt LED driver. There's also no reason you can't go bigger. You could use a 60, 100, 150. There's no downside. But you want to have at least a minimum of 25 to 30 watts driver if you're going to power 10 of these. Do the math to determine which one you need. These put out about 200 lumens each, which is equivalent to a 20 watt halogen. So if you have an old halogen light in your cabinets, this will not only match the intensity, but these are about 3000 Kelvin soft white. So they'll also look like a halogen, like a normal light. They're not going to be that awful blue, pure white tint that some of the cheaper LEDs have. These are not waterproof, so you don't want to use these outside on a boat or soffit in your house or anywhere. For indoors only. Another question we get is if you can change the bulbs or LEDs, and the answer is no. These have a circuit board inside. There's no way to replace it, and they should last you about 10, maybe 15 years, at which point you're just gonna have to toss them out and get new lights. That's all there is to it.